cultural outrage. They're so proud of them. And cultural identity is strong, and many French-speaking commenters speak of a culture of Quebec that is distinct from the English-Canadian culture. However, as a whole, Canada is in theory a cultural mosaic, a collection of several regional, aboriginal, and ethnic subcultures. Government policies such as publicly funded healthcare, higher taxation to redistribute wealth, the allowing of capital punishment, strong efforts to eliminate poverty, and emphasis on multiculturalism, strict gun control, and the legalization of same-sex marriage are further social indicators of Canada's political and cultural values. Okay, the Canadian flag. The width of the maple leaf flag is twice the height. The white field is a Canadian pale, as called central line, the vertical sheet of flag named after this flag, and each bordering red. This represents all the blood that was on the war that they have from independence. And each bordering red field is exactly half its size. In the center of the white field is a red maple leaf. The maple leaf has served as a symbol of celebrating the nature and environment of what is now Canada since the 18th century. The number of points of the leaf has no significance. The image of the maple leaf used on the flag was designed by Jacques Saint-Cyr. Okay, this is a small town. This is the Lake St. Louis.